And I have a clock here. Dedicated clock. Come on, focus, stupid. I even disabled the clock right here. Yeah, it looks like Vista. It's not. It's Windows 7. Kiss my ass. Yeah, it's my clock. And I'm chopping up this DVD rip because I want the Vinnie Colaiuta performance. Even on this little preview, it still looks like garbage. And you can even see the limitations of it on this little window. I mean, I can see it with my eyes, but it looks better on camera. So, yeah, let's find the intro to that. I really hate these Dell trackpads. Anyway, I'll be back. My favorite one right there. I'm Tweak / Attack the 20-pound pizza. God, I could eat a 20-pound pizza right now. It makes me so hungry every time. Yeah, it's really compressed. It's Modern Drummer Festival 2000. And no, I'm not a drummer. I'm not a guitarist, but I find it interesting and I like it. Here's the intro. Toast for Eli. I should make some toast right now. The last time I made some sourdough toast, it didn't taste so good. There's nothing wrong with it. It's fresh and everything, but I don't know. I just didn't toast it right. Usually pretty good at that. That's the one. He's played with a lot of jazz fusion guys. Vinnie Colaiuta. But he was on the Megadeth album in 2004 called The System Has Failed. First time I heard of him. So I wasn't really into jazz or jazz fusion yet. Sure, I like smooth jazz. It's like background music or whatever. You know, the Weather Channel used to do stuff like that. Now for your local forecast on the 8s. The fucking cord. What a stupid design. The battery on this thing didn't even last. So every time I start up Windows, gotta install an update. So if update failed, it's the fucking battery is dead or some stupid bullshit like that. It takes forever for this stupid thing to start up. Hurry the hell up. Feels like the battery's about to come out of the camcorder. Anyway, I'll export this, shut up, and play it on the TV for you to see. Not in that order, though. Playing it in VLC with the deinterlacing off, it's already deinterlaced. So that's one thing I don't have to do. It's an AVI. Okay, so I'm using my YouTube SD fix thing, which removes some of the blocky artifacts from the video. And yeah, we have the bitrate set good enough, 2.5 good enough. Don't want a huge file. Use my Toshiba, but this Magnavox, at least now it does, has better speakers than the Toshiba. Just lower wattage, but they sound better. I don't know why the audio on that TV kind of sucks. It's disappointing. Have this stuff anyway. $4.50. Thanks for enjoying this video. No one's gonna watch, except for a few people, maybe one person. Wonder who my super fan is. All my videos at least have one like. It's recently done. So yeah, I got that for $30 to get a video off this channel I was watching, a music video. Turn the TV on. Some speck of dust on it. I don't listen to that new stuff. Sounds pretty good though. Sounds okay. Okay, gotta go to movie, even though it's just a video file. Let's go to PVR videos. That'll be all the way at the bottom because his name starts with V. Vinny. Attack of the 20-pound pizza. Untweaked. Well, that's the second part. See, it looks as good as it did in that little preview. Why do I have so many CRT TVs? Here's your 5 a.m. wake-up call, Grandma. Just kidding, it's not that loud. Looks as good as it did in that little preview. Let's switch to the phone. so you can see how it really looks. Looks pretty good. Just got to get one of these TVs for yourself to know what I'm talking about, because the camera shows every little detail you don't see with your eyes. Anyway, better turn it down before I get in trouble. That's my brother's domain. And yeah, you saw how good it looked on the phone. Too bad it's got a garbage microphone. It's only the second time in the video I used the audio from here with the phone. That second video is not out yet. It'll be out later today. So yeah, it's pretty good.